If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Yesterday we have saw the inquiry. Then
Can you just go over it, revise little bit?
first of all, inquiries are not a legal document. This is the main difference between inquiry and quotation. Okay. Then the standard document type for inquiry is IN. Means to create inquiry, we need to put IN here as a document type or inquiry type. Okay. Then in inquiry, we are seeing the different tabs basically.
Hey. Sorry, I lost the connection.
In inquiry, basically, we are okay. In inquiry, we are seeing the shipping tab. The shipping tab basically gives you the information related shipping to your goods. Means to which date the goods will be delivered to your customer. Likewise, the data is there. Then the route is there. Which route your transportation agency or vehicle will follow to transfer your goods to your ship to party or your customer. That shipping related data is there. And sometimes the delivery.
So all these tabs, sales, item overview, all these are under inquiry. Reason for rejection.
No, this is this tab are in inquiry also, in quotation also, in order also. But there are some additional tabs in order.
Like condition.
Yes, condition. Then partner function is there. Then schedule line data is there. That's the additional tab. Then here in shipping, the delivery block is there. So delivery block is what? Suppose there are multiple reasons like to which the delivery is not going to happen for that particular document or for that particular order. So the delivery block is there. So there are this example like a credit limit. Mostly the delivery block is due to credit limit. Sometimes what happens, like customer gives a prepayment or additional payment. Likewise, means customer has his own account to your respective partners. Means I'm going to order some material from you. So basically, I continuously ordering material from you. So I already pay some additional amount. Like I already going to pay 1 lakh or 2 lakh, and I'm going to say that this is my total amount, and please deduct the amount whenever I'm going to place any order. Okay. So whatever the cost of your order, that amount will be deducted from your additional from your amount that you have paid already. But sometimes what happens, your credit is expired or your total amount which you have paid, that is in, but your order is still going on in system. So at that time,
your order is still what?
Your end user or your member from your company is still going to place order. But at that time, the system shows this credit limit block. Means system warn you that credit limit for that particular customer is going to expire. Okay.
So delivery block means the delivery does not happen?
Yes, means delivery is not created. There are 3 types of credit check basically. Simple credit check, automatic credit check, on which the means previous data of that customer is going to validate. Means suppose you don't pay amount to your actual customer on time, so system shows you that it is a high risk customer, then medium risk customer, and low risk customer. So various level, when I'm going to cover the credit touch, the check or credit data, I will explain you in detail. But at that moment, you just remember that credit block is due to whenever your credit limit is going to expire. At that time, the credit block is there.
Delivery block.
Yes, yes. The example of credit limit. Then next one is your reason of rejection. Means sometimes your customer reject your material or reject your order or particular document. So at that time you need to maintain here the order reason or reason for rejection. Okay, so this data will be beneficial for further contracts or further documents related to your particular customer. This is all about inquiry. And whenever you are going to create any document, you can check here in edit incompleteness log. Incompleteness log basically shows you that certain field is mandatory or certain field is incomplete or not. See, in this field, the document is complete. But suppose I am giving PO number is mandatory or PO date is mandatory. Okay, so at that time, the system show me that this PO number is mandatory. So you need to fill this PO number or PO date. Then and then only I am able to save this document. If I am not putting PO number while it's mandatory, then system shows you a pop-up that this particular field is mandatory, but you haven't filled that particular.
Okay, means let PO number is mandatory.
Yeah. See, likewise, a pop-up will be there. Likewise, a pop-up will be there. See, likewise, system shows you that this particular field is mandatory. You haven't filled this field. Please fill this field. And when the all data is completed as per your requirement or client requirement, then you can check the incompleteness log. And if the system shows you that document is complete, means all the required field has already met. Then you can simply save it. This is all about inquiry. The main thing about inquiry is how to create. Means suppose interviewer asks you or any person asks you about the inquiry. What is the inquiry? So your first answer will be you can create inquiry with first of all inquiry is not a legal document. So company will not bound it to it. Company will not bound it to that particular inquiry or particular document because it's a not legal document. Okay. Then we can create inquiry with the help of T code VA11 and we can change the inquiry with T code VA12 and to display inquiry we use VA30. Okay, this is all about inquiry. Then our next document is quotation. We use T code VA21 to create quotation. And the standard document type for quotation is QT. And about inquiry, the standard item category for inquiry is AFM. Always, whenever you are going to select iron here as a document type, your item category will be automatically AFM.
Where is item category? Um,
See, whenever I'm going to place order, I haven't selected any item category. Okay. So whenever I check this line item, see in item details also the item category is AFN.
what
For
is
that,
AFN exactly?
AFN is standard item category. Means item category is what, as yesterday explained, it controls the behavior of that line item. Means basically, we already assign this particular item category in background to your standard document type. Means whenever we are going to select as a document type in ION, system automatically pick your item category as AFN. Means
AFN is only for inquiry.
sorry.
AFN is only for inquiry.
Yes, yes. AFN is only for inquiry.
Mm-hmm.
And it gives you the line item related information.
Okay, so you have to click on the item detail tab.
Yes, item details also, and in this line item also is there item category. AFN.
Okay.
I will cover detail about item categories. Means what exactly the different item categories. I will cover this.
Mm-hmm.
Then next one is about quotation. The main difference between quotation and inquiry, the quotation is our legal document. Means company will bonded to it. Whenever I'm going to place or create any quotation, and after some times or after some days, whenever you come to me and says this quotation is valid, suppose there is a validity period.
Mm-hmm.
So, this question. And I give the validity period for this quotation as up to 24.
Acha, means after that period it can change.
Yeah, after that period it can change. But up to this period, this quotation is valid.
Hmm. And what is the quotation?
Quotation basically, suppose I want certain material. So I will come to you and told you that I want quotation for that particular
I know, but
material.
in this on this screen, what is it? Which is the quotation?
Quotation means this is quotation
No,
document.
no. What is the amount, quotation amount on that screen?
Okay. So in quotation, basically there is no in quotation and inquiry, both two documents, there will be no about pricing related stuff. The pricing related stuff is only in order. Whenever you are going to place order now, then and then only there is pricing or what we say condition tab is there.
So in quotation, then what is there? I thought quotation is the amount we tell the customer.
Mhm. No, quotation is detail about your material.
Hmm.
In
So
both
what is net
inquiry,
value? Then on top there is net value, 150 euros.
it is just a rough estimation. Means we are giving just a rough estimation to it's around this.
But
Uh,
there is money mentioned here. There is
yeah,
170.
but in order there is a special condition tab there. Means in which different condition types is maintained. Suppose I am giving 10% discount or any tariff on that particular material, or any kind of additional taxes is on that particular material. So that detail will be there in condition tab. But here in quotation and inquiry, we just give the rough estimation to customer. See. Here in header data, basically, there is a condition tab. Okay, in which all details is there. Means what is the gross value, then what is the down settlement, then what is the output tax is there, then what is the cash discount. This amount is this discount to the customer. Then what is then total profit margin, then total, all about detailed stuff is there in order. But this stuff will be not there in quotation or inquiry.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know, I get that. But quotations, still I saw some a net value and some amount mentioned. That's why I asked.
So in quotation, basically, the first one is sales tab is there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in that, the as same as detail as like our inquiry, the requested delivery date, then validity, then which plant we are going to use. This related stuff is there in sales tab of quotation. Okay. It means this stuff is same as inquiry. Then next one is item overview. In item overview, basically the item related stuff is there, means our line item. Then which material we are going to use, the order quantity, then description of that particular material. Then up to, this particular data is there in your item overview tab. Then same the item related our line item related data is there in item detail tab also. Then next one is the ordering party, means the total which one is your partner function, then which party should place the order, up to which date the means which date the order is placed. Like related stuff is there in ordering part. Then next one is procurement, means this consultant will take care of this. Procurement means what, this you have this material, but to prepare or to manufacture this material you need some additional or raw data type material. So that is nothing but the procurement. In that we have material availability date, means on which date your material will be available. Okay, same as your inquiry. This tab is same as your inquiry tab. Then next one is shipping and reason for rejection.
Just 1 minute. What is then procurement?
Procurement means your material, when your material is going to be available, this material that you are going to be delivered to your customer, when it will be available. So material availability date is there. Material availability. Up to which date this particular material is going to available in your plant. Then this is loading date, means at to this date your material will be loaded to your vehicle, or transportation agency will take care of this loading. See, this is incompleteness log I am talking about. See, system showing me that quotation validity is in is not there. You haven't put quotation validity up to which your quotation is valid. So please put this data. Okay. Now your quotation is saved. Okay. And we can create order also with reference to document. As we see that we can create quotation with reference to inquiry yesterday. Okay. Same as we can create order with reference to our quotation.
Can you show me one more time how you created quotation? I don't know where you click very fast. So VA21, right?
Yes, VA21. And here create with reference. And here you just need to put your inquiry number and just click on copy. Then all the your data related to your inquiry will be transferred to your quotation.
Will be transferred to quotation. Okay.
Now, VA01. It is same as your like inquiry, create with reference. Then if you want to create with a reference to your inquiry, you can also create with reference to your inquiry also. Then if you want to create with a reference to your quotation, you can also, then we have our quotation number. Just put quotation number here. Okay.
How do we know remember the quotation number?
No, I just copied. Means while saving the, or if you forget to copy that quotation number, go in change mode.
What? How
Change
can we get it?
edit or change mode, VA22. To create quotation, we use VA21. To create, to change quotation, we use VA22. To display quotation, we use VA23. Okay.
So if you want to see the quotation number, you have to do VA23.
22, 20 through 23, it will be okay. Means recent saved quotation number is there. So in order, basically, there are three data. Means this is our header data. This is our header data. Means header data will give the information about your customers. Means up to this PO number, PO date. This is our header data. Okay. And this is your item data. Means item data means what? This data will be give information about your line item. Okay. And third one is what? Your schedule line data.
Third is what?
Schedule line data. Schedule line means when you up to which your material is available. This is our schedule line data. Means up to this schedule line data gives you information about exactly how much you are confirmed quantity, information about your requested delivery date, what is your confirmed delivery date, and confirmed quantity. For
But
that,
where but that is under in item in line item.
see here your delivery date system, we have selected our delivery date is 12. Okay, but system shows pick up this 15 delivery date and confirm up to which system selected this confirm quantity. And this 12 date system knows that particular material will be not available. So system pick here 0 and system selected this date because up to this date your material will be available in your plant. So here system shows your confirm quantity and it is in line item. When you double click on your line item and their schedule line tab is there. Okay, for that system use forward scheduling and backward scheduling, two types of scheduling. Means first of all header data and item data. Okay, so in header data basically all customer related stuff is there. Means customer name, customer ship to party, then all customer related stuff is there in header data. Next one is item data, means material related stuff is there. And third one is your schedule line data. These are the main three
So
data.
can you point to the schedule line data? Where is it?
In a double click on item data.
No, 1 minute. Can you go back to the screen? Can you go back to that screen, please? Yeah. So header data is on top.
Yes.
Line data is right below.
Hmm.
And there is one in between. There's a card in between. What is that called? Where all the tabs are?
This one. This is item related data.
The whole thing.
Yes. This
So
is
there are
same as we see in quotation and inquiry. These are the same. Shipping, reason for rejection, these tabs are same.
So there are only two, header data and schedule line data.
No, item data. Main three data. Whenever you go, anyone is or interviewer asks you what is the data in order. So you need to tell him that there are main three data in order. First one is header data, which gives you information related to your customer. Then next one is item data, the data which gives you the information about your material.
Can you point when you are saying it? Where is item data?
This one, this total.
This total, okay.
Yes,
and what is the third thing?
Schedule line data. Schedule line data gives you the confirmed quantity and confirmed delivery date.
Okay, it's on a separate page. Okay.
Yes. The main in schedule line data is what? It will gives you the confirmed delivery date and confirmed quantity. This is the main thing.
Confirm quantity and confirm delivery date.
Yes. See, for that system use two types of scheduling, backward scheduling and forward scheduling.
Okay, what is that?
This one. So we are covering scheduling tab, right?
Yes.
In scheduling, basically, there are two ways to which system calculate this particular date or confirm quantity. Means how system exactly pick this particular date. Okay, so for that system check via two methods. First one is forward scheduling, second one is backward scheduling. System always goes for first backward scheduling. Means system first check like up to this, means we have given this 12 as a delivery date. So system first check that delivery is possible for that particular location or a particular date or not. So if delivery is not possible to that particular date or up to that particular date, then system goes for forward scheduling. Then system checks certain parameters like means material availability date, then pickup time, which is our pickup
What
time.
is this anyway connected to back order? In e-commerce, we have back order. Is there anything like, is it similar to this? In case you know, if you don't know, that's fine.
This is the standard order. Back order, no, I know about the return order, but don't know about back order.
Okay,
I know about back order processing.
Back order in e-commerce, there is, a status in e-commerce. Is right back order.
So for forward scheduling, system use different parameter like picking date, picking time, what is your transportation time, what is your loading time. This factor will system take under consideration and propose the next delivery date. Means a certain time is there for loading, then certain time is there for transportation, certain time is for picking of your material from your storehouse. So system calculate this all parameter and propose you the next delivery date. So up to this particular date, your confirmed quantity is there and your delivery is going to be happen. Okay. This is the main use for schedule line data. Then there is a condition header data. In header data, there is first one is your sales tab. Okay. Sales tab basically, as explained, sales tab gives you information related to your sales. Means what is your document currency. Then means what is the currency you are using. Then what is your document creation time, sales, what is your sales area, sales office. This related stuff is there in sales tab. Then next one is your shipping tab. In shipping tabs gives you the information related to your shipping. Means what is your loading point, what is your ship to party basically. Means this party you need to ship your good. So this is your ship to party. Then shipping related stuff is there. Then next one is billing document. Means which are the ecoterms. Ecoterm, as I explained yesterday, it divides your responsibility of your goods between you and your transportation agents. Means up to which up to which stage the responsibility is divided between your goods is defined there in ecoterm. There are multiple ecoterm. Standards are 11, but there are mostly companies using customized ecoterm. Like CF is for insurance, then CPT is for freight free. Means at the port of you are loading and dispatching actual port, at that freight charges will be not calculated. Likewise, free on board. Likewise, different ecoterms. Like billing related stuff is there in billing document tab. Then next one is payment card. Means in payment card tab, like your payment detail will be there. Means up to the total value. Then your gross value is there. Means about payment detail is there in payment card tab. Next one is accounting. Accounting means, as name suggested, it is accounting related stuff. We will not take care of this. FI consultant will be take care of this finance people.
Who? What consultant?
FI finance consultant. Means there is a linkage between different modules like ESD, MM, FI. Okay. When we are going to cover ESD, FI integration, ESD, MM integration, I will told you that. What exactly the ESD-FI integration means. When you are going to save particular order, okay, So certain information will be transferred to your FI people, or certain information is taken from your FI people in your order. Like these finance people will take care of all finance related stuff. Okay, and you are creating order, means you are talking about some finance related stuff or money deduction related stuff. So this data will be sent to your FI people, finance people. And when you are going to put any material in your order, when this material is going to put in your order, like other stuff is copied from your material master data. Okay, so this material master data will be taken care by people. Means they are actually dealing with PO, then procurement of material, then if particular material is not available. So this consultant will be take care of this.
What is
Material management.
And what T code did you use for orders? We use VA03.
Yes, VA03 is to display. I mean, this is the standard T code. If anyone or interviewer asks you about what is the T code to create order, so you just need to say to create order, we use T code VA01. To change or edit order, we use VA02. And to display, we use VA03.
So
These
what
are
did you
the
use
standard.
just now? Just now, what did you use for orders?
VA01.
To create.
To create. We are creating, so we are using VA01.
Yeah, I don't, at work, I don't create, I only have to see. So
Yes.
that's why I use VA03.
Mostly this order creation or stuff, this stuff will be taken care by end users.
SAP, right? By end user means who?
End user means the person you are actually working your customer location.
Like order management and all
Yes.
those
Yes.
departments. Yeah, they use a lot of it. They edit also.
Yes, these are the end user. And if certain information or certain issue is there with your order, then that particular order or that particular respective ticket comes to you as a ST consultant. Then you need to check this all stuff, like what exactly the issue. If there is a accounting, means if there is any condition type is missing. And mostly what happens, the actual cost is different, but system pick different cost. So there is a missing of any condition type. So you need to select proper condition type. You need to analyze the whole ticket first. Okay, you need to check different types also in that particular order, and you need to find the root cause of that error, and then you are going to provide solution to that end user. Like this is the condition type is missing. Please put this condition type, and the amount will be appear. Correct amount will be appear in your net tab. Likewise, solution will be provided by you as a SD consultant. Next one is your account assignment or partners. In partner, basically, I told you there are main 4 partner functions. At least to create order, you need 4 partner functions: sold to party, ship to party, payer, and bill to party. Sold to party, which are the party which are placing the order, which is our sold to party. Next one is ship to party. The party to which your goods or material will be delivered. It is our ship to party. The next one is bill to party. Means party which pays to your invoice. That is bill to party. The party to which your invoice will be sent is bill to party. Next one is payer. Means payer which the party which pays you invoice, pays your invoice is nothing but your payer. This
and
is
sold to party is the one who places the order?
Yes, the party which is placed the order. These are main, at least to create order, you require 4 partner functions.
But I'm not seeing bill to, I did not see bill to over there.
Yeah, bill to as customized as a RE. Mostly what happens in daily business, we use or customize this standard one with your according to your requirement or according to your simplicity. Okay. You can add different partner functions here also, like the forwarding agent. You can add it according to your need. This data already pre-filled. Mostly, this data is already pre-filled by end users. You just need to verify, or you just need to check the issues where the system facing issues are, where the root cause of there. But but you have to know this related stuff, like at least 4 partner function. Then what
So
are
these
the
are
different
called partners, right? Partner functions, right?
what?
All these 4 are called partner functions.
Yes, mandatory partner function.
Mandatory are sold to, ship to, bill to, and payer.
Payer. These are the
Okay.
4 main partner functions.
And forwarding agent is who?
It is additional, or if I have selected, I can select different also. Means if you want to add your forwarding agent or your transportation agency to your order, so you can also add this. Likewise, you can add it.
How do you know it is 1000? Like, how will I know?
I have randomly selected this one. For giving example, I have randomly picked this. But there are different partner functions also. But these are the 4 main partner functions or mandatory partner functions. You can add additional partner function according to your need or according to your requirement. Okay. And next one is text tab. These tabs will be useful. Means if you want to add a certain text tab is what? Suppose your ESD system is linked with your different system like TM system, transport management system. So your material is DG material, dangerous goods material, or refrigerator material. So you can add additional note here. Please take care of this material. Likewise, maintain this temperature or ventilation for this material. Right, like the related stuff will be is there in text tab. So this stuff is highlighted while transferring data to other systems like TM system, transport management system. Next one is order data. Means PO number, purchase order number is there. If you are creating order with reference to your PO or any other document, so mostly in order data, the PO related stuff is there. Means what is your PO number, then PO date, likewise. And we use T code YME21N to create PO, YME22N to change PO, and YME23N to display PO. Purchase order. PO is what? Nothing but the purchase order. Means take example like Walmart. Walmart is placing multiple order on daily basis. Okay. So according to for his simplification, he always put some PO number while creating order. So it will be helpful for him or helpful to end user also to identify different order. PO number is what basically the purchase order. Means AMM consultant will take care of this PO. Okay. But suppose your customer is a use customer like Walmart. So he always gives some PO number while creating or while placing a order. Okay. So that it will be better for his understanding or it is better for his own clarification, like for end user to identify different order. Okay. So that data will be automatically appear here in order data, like PO number, then what is your PO date, likewise. We haven't mentioned any PO number here. So that's why there is no PO related stuff.
PO number can be anything, right?
Yeah. But mostly it starts with 45.
Acha, आमच्या site, in our site, it is like they say you can PO number for testing, you can put anything. Means I can put my name also.
Yes, but for standard for standard one, order always start with 30. Okay, and delivery always start with 40. PO number always start with 45. These are the standard, but then different number will be there. But for starting, it will be 45. For order, it's 30 starting.
For the PO number.
Yes, for
For order
for
it is
30 for order starting 2-digit always 30 for standard one.
but for PO number.
For PO number starting 2-digit is 45.
Then 30 for what?
Order.
Where is the
30.
order?
See.
You mean sales order?
Yes, sales order.
So where is the sales order? I've not yet seen that field. Because a lot of sales order.
See, this is the order. This whole stuff is order. See, this is the standard we are in currently in change mode of that particular
So
order.
what is the sales order number here for this?
This is 15. This one 15426. This is the order. When you
So
are
standard
going
order here on the front end, it will show as sales order.
Yes, means when you are going to save or open document, any document, here that number will be appear for that particular document. See, I'll show you for quotation also. See, this is your quotation number. Means this number is your quotation number. Like whenever that particular number appear in after saving your document, that number will be then next be appearing is here. See, while creating order, number is not there. VA01. No number is here. Okay. All the data we have filled. Okay. So still the order number is not generated. Whenever we are going to save this particular document, then the order number will be generated. This is our
so
order number.
this is sales order number, right?
Yes. And whenever we are going to change mode, see, this is now available. Your order number is now available. This particular number is means why only the question will arise, why only this system pick this number? Why we don't pick different number? Because the number range we have already said, like we have set number range between 100 to 500. Okay, and now I am creating first order, so system automatically pick 100 as a number. Then when I'm going to create second order, system automatically select as a number as a 101. Then third order is for 102. Likewise, according to your number range, this particular number is selected for your order.
So it's on a sequential order.
Yes, and here document flow is there. Means it gives you the information about the document or preceding document. Then after next which document is created. So likewise, the information is there in document. This type document flow. And suppose I am creating the order with reference to your quotation. Then when I'm going document flow, the quotation is system shows quotation also inquiry. If I'm creating with reference to inquiry, the system will show inquiry also here. Then with reference to this order, I have created delivery. Then system will show delivery here also. Then next one is our status tab. Status tab is what? It gives you the information related to overall information related to your order. Means what is the overall status of your order? It is currently in open state. When the invoice is completed for this particular order, then its status is changed to completed automatically. Then rejection status, means nothing is related. Then your delivery status, credit status, likewise. Different statuses are shown in your status tab. Then completeness check, means the all mandatory field we have, if we have filled all mandatory field in header data type, then it is in completed state, otherwise it is incompleted. Same with item tab also, means if we have filled the all mandatory field of item data, then it shows in completed state. Okay. And next one is the main thing is item category for standard order. The item categories for standard order is TAM, tag, always. Same as like your inquiry, AFL. And to T code to see means why system selecting this TAN or AFL for your order or inquiry. So you can check it with VA, VO, V7. This T code is to check item category. VO, V8 is for document type. We currently looking to item category, VO, V7. Okay.
What is VA, VO7 for?
VO, V7 is for to check item category. Item category word. Item category. VO, V7. So here position is nothing but the search. We want to search about TAN. Okay. I just double click on that particular line item or particular item category. So details of that item category gets open. Okay. So in that certain field, we have, I told you that item category control behavior of that particular line item. Okay. This TAN will be.
So what is actually, sorry, I'm getting a little confused. TAN, what does it do exactly?
Means it controls or gives you information related to, yes, this is stuff. Means TAN, item category TAN control this all data. Means this stuff we have maintained under TAN. So whenever you are going to select TAN as your item category, you need to fulfill this requirement. Means for TAN, this we have shown the schedule line. It is means we have selected as a mandatory field here. Okay. So if the item category is TAN, and if we haven't filled the items or returns or credit active, means system will check all these parameters when your item category is TAN. And we already select this parameter. Suppose I want to make this field as a mandatory, so I select these two fields and then save this particular. So system will check these two fields also, additional to this field also. And if you don't want to check these business items, so we just remove this field and then save this particular item category. Then system will not check this particular field. Means this particular parameter is mandatory to system to check if your item category is TAN. If you are see, now we are seeing about AFL. In this AFN, the means we don't put credit active as a mandatory fee. Means credit active means what? The credit limit check. Means system won't check credit limit while creating your inquiry, but we kept it as mandatory for TAN. Means to create order, the credit system always check credit for that particular customer. Okay. Likewise, the means pricing. We have kept pricing as a standard one. Okay, likewise means this particular tab is mandatory, or system always check this field, because we have given this mandatory select this mandatory things for that particular item category. So system always check these parameters while saving any order with item category AFM or item category stand. According to our requirement, or according to our need, we select different parameter here, and system will always check this parameter while when your item category is stand or when your item category is AFM. System will check these whole parameters. Means suppose I am selecting this ordering quantity always one. Means for one quotation there is always one order also. Means always one. Means mostly what happen for one quotation, two orders is there. Suppose your material is different. Means nature of your material is different. So for that particular material, different sales order will be created. Likewise. So in this field, basically we can control this all related. I will cover this in detail about item category.
Yeah, this is a little bit confusing.
I just give you the rough estimation about what exactly the item category. Just you remember T code VOV7.
Okay.
To check item
for
category.
Item category.
Yeah, you can check. Means use this T code in your working system also. Means SPRO, like SPRO, then VOV01, VA01. Like
what is SPRO again?
SPRO is what customization in your system. When you just put SPRO here, that suppose I am currently in this screen, okay, and I want to jump to other screen, okay. So I just put SPRO here, okay. So system won't allow, but for /n, when you are going to put /n/SPRO, then I'm jump to next page. Means /n is for next. Means system directly jump from next page, this page to your next page. Then click on your ESP request. In that you can check the linkage, different linkage, like definition, then assignment. Mostly assignment. Means suppose I have assigned one plant to your shipping point, or I have assigned your company code to your sales organization. Like this stuff is maintained there. Mostly this stuff will be taken care by ABAP consultant.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.